What's going on, guys? All in day 12. I had recorded this video already, but did not hit the record button. So, this might be a little shorter, a little quicker, but let's go over price action today. So we can see on NASDAQ, price was coming out and sweeping on London. I was looking for longs, personally. Price is in a very heavy uptrend, retracing into this daily gap. Did break structure on the 4-hour. Although this is part of... it didn't break structure on the 4-hour yet. But I was seeing it sweep this low and wanting to see price move higher. Yeah, you can see this giant move here. But let's let it play out and see what happens here. Boom, takes out Asia. I'm thinking, okay, maybe an SMT. No. Price is just going to rip to all of these lows, all of them. Boom, 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 boom. Ripping, ripping, ripping. I inevitably got off pretty much around here because I was done looking at this pretty much. Price just ripped down. We did have a 1-hour SMT, these highs to these highs, and on ES, these highs to these highs, right? So NASDAQ was leading. If I wanted to enter off this price action, it would have had to been literally in the 9:30 opening candle. Anybody, like anybody. This is more just a gamble, if anything, if I took this trade. Retraced, took out 5-minute highs. You can look on yes. Retraced, look, took out 5-minute highs, right? So if we zoom in here, you can see was a break of structure on the 1 minute, as you would think, at 9:31, as it was retracing, coming out, taking out the 1 minute. This was my entry right here. You can see the stops are pretty hefty just from these little two tiny candles. They're actually very large candles, but zoom in just a little bit more. But 50 ticks for a stop loss, and then you can see, boom. How far did price go down today? I think it was about a 600-point move. Yeah, just about 600 points. Crazy, 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 crazy. I was looking for retracements because I was not going to enter upon market open. So I was looking for retracements along this 5-minute retrace. Never actually retraced into this 5-minute gap here. We had a little tiny dick-sized tick tap in right here, but I didn't see that until after. I was really hyper focused on this leg moving up, seeing an actual leg move up. Didn't get what I thought. Price just ripped down some more, and price did start coming back up, retracing, but ultimately did not catch this move. I think a lot of it was one of two things. Trump was speaking today. You know what happens when he does, and also rumors of the government shutting down again. So big news for the unemployed. And yeah, it sucks. Today was just not it. Today was just not it to catch a trade. Trump is manipulating these markets, and it is not good for us new traders. So very unfortunate today, but I was not going to chase this. I simply was just going to wait for an actual strategy, actual confirmation. I didn't get any confluences except up here at 9:30 open, and then that was it. Just price just dumping, and there's nothing much I could have done about it, really. I sat here and watched and was just like, wow, this is something. And we didn't even have news today except Trump speaking at 4:30. So I think a lot of people got scared. A lot of other things dumped as well. Gold dumped. Ethereum, Bitcoin. We can look at all of these dumped. So everything dumped today. It's got to be a major news event. One of two things: government shutdown or Trump speaking. So that all said and done. Can't do nothing about it. So hopefully, I'm not even gonna hope anymore because I'm tired of January price action. I'm generally done with January's price action, especially after this and seeing this. Like, are we serious? What is this? Freaking FOMC. Freaking FOMC. Then we get a freaking Judas sweep Tuesday, and then we get another Judas sweep on Monday around here. And it's like, dog, I'm not trading a Judas sweep. Sorry, but I'm not. But after this past week, at least I learned the Judas sweep and learned something, because after seeing that, I ain't gonna miss it again. I'll tell you that. You're gonna see a video one day of me catching a Judas sweep. And I'm gonna be like, I told you so. But all said and done, guys, no trades so far this week. It's brutal out here in January. Hopefully February is going to present us something of opportunity. These past videos, there definitely was some opportunity that I had talked about. I just didn't have my head right, didn't have the confidence within my strategy and within myself to trust my strategy enough to even enter. So if it wasn't for that, I probably would still have the fund account and still, be up on that. But, you live and you learn, and one funded account is not going to define me. Soon enough, I'll get it back. Topstep gave us a free combat account, so we're going to run that up, get back to funded, and hopefully we can start running it up again, So anyways, guys, that's all I got for you. I'll see you in the next one. Peace.